Hello! As a housekeeping staff, you will be requested to help guests use the items in their rooms. It is imperative that you know how to operate all the in-room items where you work, including all the features. The way you will provide advice to guests is like 1. Explaining the functions and operations of all aspects of the items that the guest wants to know about. It can include the switches and doorknobs. Note that it is not necessary to explain the whole things. You just need to tell them what they want to know or want to do. 2. Make sure all the health and safety requirements are covered. Remember, the property has a duty of care to all its guests. 3. Use clear terminology, simple words, and stay away from negative jargons. 4. Use some simple questions to test their understanding of what you have explained to them. Because of its necessity and helpfulness, providing advice to the guests will sometimes require you to demonstrate how to use an item. During providing demonstrations, you must 1. Show the guests where the in-room instructions are. 2. Take your time. Don't rush the explanation. 3. Give them an opportunity to try things out while you are there. Here, your goal is to encourage them and assist them for some more opportunities. 4. Suggest them to contact you again whenever they find further problems. It is always a wise decision to ensure the guest's understanding on the operation of such items or facilities right before you leave the room. All the knowledge you have learned here complies with the International Service Standard, nurturing you to grow.